My name's Nung Rudarakanchana. I'm a vascular and endovascular consultant surgeon. I practice in the NHS at the London North West University Hospitals and Imperial College. In my private practice, I run clinics at the London Clinic, the Wellington Hospital, and the Clementine Churchill Hospital. Since a young age, I had a real volition to help people. And when I was 4, my parents bought me a little plastic Fisher-Price doctor's set, which I adored. And I went around injecting people, listening to people's hearts for most of my time playing. I then went to medical school in Cambridge, and that really had been my focus when I was a youngster. And whilst I was there, I was really inspired by working at Papworth Hospital. That's a very famous cardiothoracic centre. So I took a PhD whilst I was at Cambridge in vascular science, and from there went on to pursue vascular surgery. I love being a vascular surgeon because it is continuously innovating and changing. It gives me the opportunity to help a whole range of people, from the very young to the very old, and with a whole range of diseases that affect the arteries and veins. The most rewarding part of my job for me is helping people who haven't been heard perhaps clearly by other health professionals in terms of what they are experiencing, what they need to help them feel better, both physically and mentally. And on top of that, I really enjoy the patient contact, the contact with their family and carers. Well, my patients tell me that they value my listening skills the most. So I'm a little bit unusual. I've had quite an international upbringing, and I'm one of a few female vascular surgeons practicing in London. And I think I bring a slightly different dimension to the care that I give to people. In my culture, I'm from Thailand, listening is one of the focuses that we teach children, really, to listen before you speak. And so I think my ability to listen to people's stories and to try more to understand what will make them feel better is one of my greatest strengths as a surgeon.